Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. And today is going to be a short, simple video just to show you how I basically made a cat ear bag. So you're basically going to take any bag of your choosing. You can get one at the dollar store, the thrift store, Five and Below, like a whole bunch of cheaper options. And I'm going to show you how I attached cat ears to mine. So here we go. Okay, so in order to basically make the ears, I just have some of this velvet material and I just flipped it over, and then I made this simple pattern by just honestly eyeballing it. And then I'm going to lay that on top, and I'm going to get out some pins to pin together the fabric so it doesn't move. Alright, I'm going to take this silver crayon and trace my pattern. At least try to the best I can. Alright, there we go. You might not be able to see it, but I can see it. And then I'm going to cut it out. Alrighty, after I cut that one out, I'm next going to do the exact same thing onto another piece of this fabric. Alright, now that I have my two ears, the next thing to do is to sew along the edges. Okay, so after I have sewn along the edges, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to add some glue along the edges to stop them from fraying or doing anything else that they're not supposed to be doing. So I'm just going to add some glue along the edge. Kind of like this. Hi, baby girl. And then I'm just going to use my finger to spread it out. Plus, when this hardens, this should add a little extra shape to it. So I did that one. Now I just have to do the other one. Alrighty, so I am back and they are finally dry. So the next thing to do is to turn them right side out and kind of play around with the shape a little bit. And because we glued them, it should stop it from fraying or doing anything like that on the inside. It should, at least. Alright, there we go. There are both of our ears. Alright, the next thing and last thing to do is to sew them onto the bag, which I am just going to hand stitch it. Oh dear. I am just going to hand stitch it to somewhere up here. Alrighty, so I managed to sew the ears onto the bag, and I'm pretty happy with it. They are a little uneven. One of them is bigger than the other one, but oh well. That's just how it's going to be. Overall, I think it's actually pretty cute, so I'm pretty happy with it. So, there you go. So that is pretty much it. There were a couple bumps in the road just because this is the very first time I've ever done this, so there were a few bumps, but overall, I'm pretty happy with it. They are a little uneven, which slightly annoys me, but I'm like, you know what? Oh well, it's good enough for now. So, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!